Welcome to class 7 mathematics classes. We are in chapter data handling, and today we will understand about median of on-group data, cumulative frequency, mode of on-group data, and empirical formula for calculating mode. Okay, so first is the median of on-grouped data. Okay, so when we collect the observations, okay, then we will arrange in ascending and descending order, okay, and then after we'll try to find the middlemost observation. So that middlemost observation is called the median. Okay, so we can write it as median. So here, after arranging the given on group data in the ascending or descending order of magnitude, the value of the middlemost the value of the middlemost observation is called the median. Okay, median of the data. You have to remember that the middlemost observation or middlemost value of the collected data is called the median of the data. Okay, now median we find when the number of observations are even. Okay, we have one formula to calculate, and when number of observations are odd, okay, then we'll find median with another formula. So case number 1, when n is odd, okay, median will be equal to your value of that observation, value of n plus 1 by 2th observation. Okay, so the value of this observation is the median when n is odd. Okay, now case number 2, when n is even, then the median will be given by half n by 2th observation. Here n is the number of observation, okay, plus n by 2 plus 1th observation. So here we will use this formula to find the median when n is even. Okay, now next is cumulative frequency. We have done the frequency, we have understood what is frequency in this chapter data handling. Now cumulative frequency we'll try to understand. Okay, when the variates means the variable, okay, the value of the variable. So the value of the variable are arranged in an increasing order, okay, or decreasing order we can arrange. Then the cumulative frequency, this cumulative frequency corresponding to a particular value of variable, that is variant, is the sum of all frequencies up to and including that variate. Okay, so cumulative frequency is a sum, okay, of that particular variable, okay, including the frequency up to that variable. Okay, so we'll try to understand in the problems, okay, this one cumulative frequency more properly. Here we have understood that cumulative frequency is the sum of that variable, okay, up to and including that value of variable. Okay, now next is how to find the median of discrete series. Okay, this one we will see. Method for finding the median of discrete series. Okay, so here first of all we'll calculate the cumulative frequency, okay, by arranging the terms in ascending or descending order. Then after we will um, sum all the frequency up to and including that variable. Okay, then we'll get the cumulative frequency. Then after we'll know that n, this n, okay, this n, that is number of observation or number of items. Then after we will apply formula for n as odd. If we get number of observation odd, then we will apply this formula, okay, and if we get n as even, then we'll apply this formula. Okay, so here first we will arrange and we'll find the sum of frequency. Okay, so first arrange the terms in ascending or descending order. Now prepare a cumulative frequency table. Okay, let the total frequency summation fi be n. Okay, case number 1, when n is odd, okay, median will be equal to n plus 1 by 2. What is n? N is the total frequency. Okay, so the median will be n plus 1 by 2th item in the observation. Okay, suppose 5th item, then the median will be the value of 5th item. Okay, so like that. Now case number 2, when n is even. Okay, when n is even, median is equals to half n by 2th item plus n by 2 plus 1th item. Okay, the sum of these two, half of sum of these two is the median when n is even. Okay, n is the total frequency. If the total frequency is even, then median will calculate by this formula. Okay, if the total frequency is odd, we'll use this formula to find the median. Okay, so we have to remember the formulas. Now next is mode of on-grouped data. Okay, that we will try to understand. Mode of on-grouped data. So here mode is very simple. Okay, mode is the value of the variable which occurs most frequently. Okay, so in the given observation, the value which comes out, or we observe the value more frequently or most frequently, that is the mode of on-grouped data. Okay, with an example, let us try to understand the mode. Okay, so example given below are the number of overs thrown by 11 players of a team in a one-day match. Okay, this is not math, this is match, M-A-T-C-H. Okay, so the number of overs thrown by each player: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 players are there, and first player thrown 3 overs, second player 4 overs, like that. So which observation is most frequent? We have to see this. 3 is here only one time, 4 is here 1, 2, 3 times, 0 here 1 and 2 2 times, 8 here and here 2 times, 6 here and here 2 times, 7 only one time, 4 we have counted, Okay, 6 two times we have counted. So here most frequently thrown is 4. Okay, most frequently thrown number of over is 4, isn't it? So modal number or the mode of this observation is 4. Okay, so we can write it as occurs maximum number of times, since 4 occurs maximum number of times in the given data. Okay, so mode is equals to 4. So simple to find the mode. Now next is empirical formula for calculating mode. Okay, so this one we will see. Empirical mode is given by 3 into median, okay, minus 2 into mean. So we have to calculate median and mean. After that we'll apply the formula 3 median minus 2 mean to get the mode. Okay, this is the empirical formula for calculating mode for discrete series. Okay, discrete series means the data collected in tabular form. Okay, so in this manner we will try to solve the exercises also, but this theory is very important, so go through at least 2 times. Okay, thank you very much.